In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for AI topic research fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful yet underutilized tool that can help you discover what's hot in the world of artificial intelligence. And today, we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Simply search for Google Trends to get started. You'll see a list of results, but make sure to click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, a vibrant interface ready to provide insights into various topics. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button and click on it. This feature is where the magic begins. It allows you to dive deep into the data surrounding trending searches. Now, you'll need to brainstorm a few AI-related keywords you want to investigate. Think of terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, chatbots, generative AI, and AI tools. These are among the most buzzworthy areas in AI right now. Next, enter one of these keywords into the search bar and press Enter. You'll be presented with a graph depicting the trend of that particular keyword over time. This visual representation is pivotal in understanding how interest in a topic has evolved. At the top of the page, you'll notice options to set your location and time range. This step is crucial as it allows you to tailor the data to your specific needs. You might want to select a particular region or country if you're targeting a geographic audience. For time range, consider the past 12 months to gauge recent interest, or stretch it to the past 5 years to uncover long-term patterns. As you explore these trends, don't miss out on the Interest by Region map. It's an insightful feature that lets you discern where your chosen search term is most popular. This information is not only valuable for creating content that resonates with a specific locale, but also advantageous for planning localized marketing campaigns. Scrolling further, you'll find sections labeled Related Topics and Related Queries. Pay close attention here. Emphasize rising or breakout terms as these highlight emerging trends in AI. For instance, you might discover terms like ChatGPT alternatives, AI content generator, or AI image tools gaining momentum. Lastly, if you're curious about how different AI trends stack up against each other, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple keywords simultaneously. Click the plus compare button to add more terms to your analysis. You might compare ChatGPT versus Bard AI, or AI tools versus AI writing software to see how these topics fare against one another in terms of public interest. And there you have it. By following these steps, Google Trends can become an indispensable ally in your AI research toolkit, helping you stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field.